So in this video, we're going to see questions from chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. We are going to solve questions from exercise 13.8. So let's see question number 3. So all the questions here are related to either sphere or hemisphere, the last geometrical figure in this entire chapter. So let's read what the question number 3 reads. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so assume this is our metallic ball. So let's note down the diameter. So yes, so diameter will be basically this whole line here like this, and this diameter is given to be 4.2 centimeter. So okay, let's make a note of that. So this diameter, I'm going to write it d is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, now what is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? So another quite different unexpected information that is given to us is density. So I'm just going to write here density is given to be 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, so now if you know the formula of density, density is nothing but equal to mass. Okay, mass divided by volume. This is the formula of the density. Okay, as you can see from this units, gram is a unit of mass and centimeter cube is a unit of volume. Okay, so now in this question we are given the mass. Okay, we are given the mass and we are given the density. Okay, and what we have to find is the volume. Oh, I'm so sorry, we have to find the mass of the ball. So okay, let me highlight it. This we have to find the mass of the ball. So mass is unknown, volume we have to find, and density is given to us. Now we can easily find the volume of a sphere because we know the formula to find the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So let's come here. So what I'll do is I'll write here. Okay, let's write. Okay, fine. Let's first calculate the volume. So let's put like step number 1, volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so let's substitute the values. We know that diameter is 4.2 centimeter. So we are going to just write here 4 by 3 into, let pi be equal to 22 by 7 into r. So r is 4.2 divided by 2. Okay, half of diameter is the radius and the whole cube. This is the formula. Now let's try to solve this. Let's zoom in here. So okay, so this is 2.1. So I'm just going to write here 2.1, and we all know that 2.1 is divisible by 7. So let's expand it. So that will be equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1, and it will be 3 times because it's a cube. 2.1 into 2.1. Okay, so this is the expression that we are going to solve. Okay, mathematical expression. So now once again let's try to solve this. So this is 7 and this is 0.3, okay, because 7 into 3 is 21, and this 3 and 0.3 it will be 10. Okay, because 3 into 10 will be equal to okay, I'm sorry, it's 10 is going to be here. Okay, 0.3 into 10 will give us 3, so 10 will come here, and yes, we can further solve it. We can divide this by 2. So 2 into 5 is 10 and 2 into 11 is 22. So now what remains is, okay, let's try to simplify this a bit. So what remains is 4 into 11 into 2.1 into 2.1, and this whole thing is divisible by 5. This is the volume of the sphere. So let's try to solve it. This is will be 44 into 2.1 into 2.1, the whole divisible by 5. Now we're going to use a calculator to find the value of this. So this value comes out to be 38.8. So I'm just going to write here 38.80 centimeter cube. The unit is very important. The unit is centimeter cube. So I'm just going to box it 38.80. Now let's come up. Okay. So we have found out the volume of the sphere and we know the density of the sphere. We can easily find out the mass of the sphere. So where do we solve this? Okay, I'm just going to, let's use a space here itself. So we have, I'm just going to write here, we have density This is the standard formula of density. Density as equal to mass divided by volume. Okay. And therefore, what is the given density? The given density is 8.9. So just let's write it here. This is 8.9 is equal to, so mass is unknown. We are just going to write mass as it is, and volume is this thing. We have found out 38.80. So 38.80. Okay. Now finding mass is very simple. Therefore, I'm just going to say mass of the sphere is going to be equal to 8.9 multiplied by 38.80. Once again, we have to use a calculator to find this. So 38.80 into 8.9. Okay, that's 345.39. So that's equal to 345.39. Unit is very important. It's grams. Okay, because the given density, let's scroll up. Yes, so the given density was in grams per centimeter cube. So our mass is going to be into 345.39 grams. So this is the required answer of our question, which was asking us the mass of the metallic sphere. Okay, a little bit different question. We were given the density of the metallic ball, and we were given the diameter of the metallic ball. We found out the volume, and then using a simple formula, density is equal to mass divided by volume, we find out the mass of the spherical ball. So this is a very simple and straightforward application of the formula of the volume of the sphere.